Who's out here for Quintown? Who's out here for Leisure Ways? I know some of you came here to see road songs, right? Well, you guys need to give it up for those bands. This is the only reason we're on this stage. Give it up for Craig for telling us about this show. As you can tell, we stick out here. Yeah. Just a little bit. Nobody heard what you fucking said. He's got a really awesome panel. Spinal down, really part of that. Right, ready for that? Yes. We'll see what else you guys. Girl, please come back. Good job! I want everyone to make this